Many of us must be eagerly waiting for the lockdown to end, dying to go out to restaurants, malls, parks, schools, colleges, meet our friends, relatives, share our stories, etc. Yet, among all this chaos, there have been many people who've been up to acquiring new skills, tackling the house arrest in their own way. Here, we would be sharing a few people's experiences who have tried to overcome this change of situation to their advantage. Like
one of the hardest feelings during that time is the feeling that my voice is silent, that I cannot do anything anymore. So I joined an initiative. They're doing online demonstrations, and these demonstrations, for example, were against the climate change, and you could organize something, put a banner out of your house, or do a video which was included in this online demonstration via live stream on YouTube. And that made me feel like that my voice is still important and that I still have to say something, and it really made me somehow satisfied during this very, very hard time.
I have included various activities so that I can make a proper use and I can make a best use of the time, and other things like I have also included regular exercise in my scheduling, and yeah, and these activities are helping me to reduce my frustration, to reduce my stress, and to work in a good way. To these activities also helping me to look into my imperfection in order to make it perfect, and I'm utilizing my time very well, I think.
This is my last semester, so this year is very important for my career. I had my career goals all planned, but this lockdown has unfortunately locked it up all. My classes are going on online, which is a privilege. Only a few lucky students can access to it. Most of my classmates are not even able to join the online classes because of the low internet connectivity issues. I am trying my best to access all the resources that are available.
जैसे क्लासेस नहीं चल रही हैं तो एक तरह का जो ओरिएंटेशन होता है हमारा वो नहीं हो पा रहा है। वैसे टीचर्स ऑनलाइन क्लासेस ले रहे हैं बट उतना जो इफ़ेक्टिव नहीं हो पा रहा वो जितना हम क्लासेस से सीख पाते थे, क्लिनिकल पोस्टिंग्स में जाके सीख पाते थे। तो यही मेनली दिक्कत है, पढ़ाई से रिलेटेड इश्यूज़ हैं जो हम लोग को फेस करने पड़ रहे हैं। और बाकी जो एक होता है कि पूरे दिन रूम पे बैठ के पढ़ाई नहीं हो पाती, ये बात तो है। तो उसके लिए उसको कोप अप वगैरह करने के लिए हम यही करते हैं कि थोड़ा शाम को थोड़ा वर्कआउट वगैरह थोड़ा कर लेते हैं, सुबह थोड़ा मेडिटेशन वगैरह कर लो। तो शेड्यूल तो खुद से ही सही करना पड़ता है। कोशिश पूरी है कि अच्छे से हो पाए, क्योंकि एग्ज़ाम्स अभी नहीं तो बाद में तो होंगे ही।
Using this time to engage myself in activities which further I was not able to do. For example, my hobbies, also to engage myself in the kitchen work, in cooking. So for women also, this time we can use in a precious way or in a more practical way or in a productive way. So it is better to stay home and stay safe and use this time in a productive way. Thank you.
In this lockdown, we are facing a lot of problems like mine. I had my first year exams, and also I applied for Jamia for languages course, and I had some interviews in Noida, but now it's all postponed. So I think I will have more time to prepare and improve myself.
Has
So
been in
I
lockdown for over a month now. So students across the country faces serious issues of procrastination, sleep deprivation, deteriorating mental health, lack of motivation regarding the uncertainty of exam dates, uncertainty of college reopening, and the coping ourselves to the new normal of online learning and so on. So these are certain issues that I have faced in the past month, and I have developed my own strategies to deal with it. First, let me address each issue with its measures that I have brought up. Procrastination. In order to deal with procrastination, I created my own timetable in a timetable app where I can color code my tasks, where I will know what I'm going to do in the next hour, next minute, next week, or next month. Then, in order to eliminate the issue of sleep deprivation, I have allotted myself a 8-hour window of sleeping in order to have a peaceful working hours later. In order to keep myself motivated, I physically activate myself through various challenges that is available in YouTube, the 12-day challenge, the 12-week challenge, and so on. So I try to keep myself consistently up with those challenges so as to activate myself physically so that I can be motivated all along. Then, in order to keep myself content with the lockdown time, I try to learn new skills, read new books, keep myself updated and aware about my surroundings. So this have actually helped me to find the purpose of why I study what I study, and enable me to create a system in order to achieve my goal. Thank you.
We all Indians are together against this COVID 19. We all will be well soon. So, till then, keep patience, cooperate with doctors and police, help needy, stay safe, stay hygienic. Thank you.
We all have to be together in this to fight corona. So please, please, please stay home, stay safe.